Question number 5. Complete the following sentences. Number 1. The interaction among many food chain is known as food web. تمام. Number 2. Decomposition process done by two types of living organisms, which are scavengers organisms and decomposers organisms. Scavengers decomposers. Okay. Number 3. Nutrients that are result from decomposition process and returned back to the soil can be consumed again by producers. كائنات المنتجة. Number 4. Snails, earthworm, and slugs are considered as decomposers. While vultures, crabs, and cockroach are considered as scavengers. Okay. Number 5. Decomposition process takes place on the land as well as underwater. يعني بتحصل على الأرض وتحت الماء. Okay. Bread mold and mushroom are two types of fungi. تمام. فطريات. Number 7. It is better to recycle waste material than throwing them in an ecosystem. تمام. Number 6. Give a reason of the following. Scavengers must work on dead bodies before decomposers. تمام. يعني ايه الكلام دوت؟ بيقول لي ليه؟ because السكافنجرز دي ايه؟ بتعمل ايه؟ feed on dead bodies by breaking them down into small pieces. Okay. Number 7. What happens if there is no decomposition process done on the earth? All dead body will not be decomposed. تمام. يبقى كده all dead bodies بقى will not be decomposed. And its nutrients will not return back to the soil. Will not return معلش بقى عشان الكتابة back to soil. طيب عندي number 8. Study the following figure that show the cycle of nutrients in an ecosystem, then put true or false below. عندي producer number 1 consumers 2 decomposers و 3. تمام. بيقولي number 1 shows that nutrients transfer from producer to consumers والanswers دي ايه is true. تمام. عندي number 2 show the nutrients transfer from consumers when they die to decomposers. تمام. والanswers دي is true. Number 3 refers to nutrients are returned back to the soil where producer can use them again. والانسرز بتاعتي دي is true. تمام. number 4 the similarity between human as a consumer and snail as decomposers where both of them can do recycling process والانسرز دي برضو is true. photosynthesis process is producer is considered as a nutrients recycling factory والانسرز دي false طبعا. تمام. number 6 in the previous figure when producers die we can draw an arrow direct from producer to decomposers والanswers D is true. number 9 the following figures show an energy flow through a food chain. عندي producer animal A animal B. الquestion بتاعنا بتقول which of the following is correct about this food chain. number 1 number A animal A is a predator. number B animal A is a secondary consumer. number C animal B is a tertiary consumer. number D animal B is a predator. والانسر الصح هتبقى الانسرز اللي هي هتبقى D animal B is a predator. تمام. ليه؟ لان هو ايه eaten by ايه animal A. وبكده نكون خلصنا lesson 5 والاكسرسايز كمان اللي عليه، واشوفكم في سيشن جديد ان شاء الله. باي باي.